Today we're going to be changing the spark plugs on the C4 Corvette. So you can see down in here where spark plug wires go down. So yeah, we're going to be changing that and maybe doing some other stuff.
We got these NGK spark plugs for aluminum heads because your car has aluminum heads. Okay. And just need to start opening those up. And we're going to gap the plugs to 35 thousandths so you can see.
You want me to leave this little piece of cardboard on?
No. So just do one at a time here for now. So what you do is the gap is between that electrode and the ground strap. So you need 35 thousandths of an inch. And it just, as long as it slides and drags a little bit, you're good.
It's dragging a little bit.
Okay. So just go through and open up and check all those. So you'll get this metal thing loose first, and then the suction will come off of the plug. So we know this is number one because it's on top. So we'll go ahead and pull this one off too to get it out of the way. So I got the little plug off. Now I'm trying to get the boot off. There we go. So there. I always like to start these by hand. You kind of have to go by feel. It's got the brown color, that's good. Got a little bit more crud in here. It's got a little rust, which that's not great.